Hi, I'm Mrs. D, and today we'll be adding 2 and 3-digit numbers with base 10 blocks. In this video, you'll learn how to add 2 and 3-digit numbers using base 10 blocks to represent and combine numbers. We'll also use the base 10 block models to help us write numbers in their expanded form of hundreds, tens, and ones. Today we'll be counting items for a food drive the school is collecting. One class collected 42 items and another class collected 20 items. You know that we can represent numbers using base 10 blocks and expanded form. So today we are going to show these numbers with base 10 blocks first. So when I look at 42, I think how many longs and how many cubes? I know that 42 is 4 longs and 2 cubes. And I know that 26 can be represented with 2 longs, 10, 20, and 6 cubes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I write these numbers and the value of the base 10 blocks separately as tens and separately as ones, I can write 42 as 40 plus 2, and I can write these base 10 blocks as 10, 20 plus 6. When I combine these base 10 blocks, I know that I now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have 60 and in tens, or I have 6 tens, whose value is 60. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So I can combine the tens with the ones now, and I know that 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. So the sum of 42 food items and 26 food items is 68 food items. So why don't you try one yourself? Try 34 plus 25. Pause the recording and ask yourself these questions. Try to solve. So how'd you do? Check your work on this page. Pause the video if you need to. The class has collected these food items. What if you don't have base 10 blocks handy? We can draw our base 10 blocks. We can draw our longs and ones. 56 would be 5 longs and 6 ones. 35 would be 3 longs and 5 ones. To write out in expanded form, I know that 5 longs makes 50 and 6 cubes makes 6. 3 longs makes 30 and 5 cubes makes 5. Now I can combine the longs and the cubes together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I know that I have 80. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I know that 80 plus 10 is 90, and one more is 91. So the value of 56 and 35 food items is 91 food items. Do you want to try another one? Just remember, in this example, I broke apart the 11 into a group of 10 and one more. We may have to do that. Let's take a look. Time try 63 plus 28. Remember, you may be able to regroup and combine some ones to make a group of 10. Pause the video here. You did. Check your work, looking at the steps here. Pause the video if you need to. Classes that collected the most collected 143 items and 75 items. I've already represented in base 10 blocks 143. If we write that out, that's 100. One flat is 100 plus 4 longs, that's 40, and 3 cubes. 75 is represented in 7 longs, whose value is 70, and 5 cubes. When I combine my 110, I know that I have 100 plus 11 longs is 110 plus 8 cubes. Now I can also combine 10 longs to make a group of 10 or another flat. So now I have 200 plus 10, there's only 1 long left, plus 8. When I combine those together, it gives me 218. Classes collected 218 food items in all. Now let's try one last problem. Following the same steps, try to solve 127 plus 285. Pause the video here. As you do, check your work, pause the video here. So today you learned how to add using base 10 block models to add 2 and 3 digit numbers. Remember, you can use base 10 blocks to represent the value of a number in expanded form. When you combine the hundreds, tens, and ones, you can find any sum. Just remember that sometimes you'll need to trade or regroup your base 10 blocks. Awesome job today. Happy adding.